Yo, what's up guys, it's Skate here and today we're doing another video. And I recently haven't been uploading much because the last video I did had one monitor and it was really bad quality. And now I've got my second monitor back, got my better quality back, and now I can start playing. I'm going to play Symphony and I don't know what this means. Yeah. Season 7 Battle Pass, half of it is done. I was just checking with my friend what loadout he wanted it to be, but then didn't have enough time. I'll try to check my loadout and then for next video I'll use the loadout. Or maybe I'll have a little I hate you. Just let me get my map. Let me get my map. Thank you. Now I can edit. Look, bro, can you not break myself? Okay, I think I should land. As you can see, my controls have switched to controller because I realised I was landing retail and a lot of people land here, so I just had to go to controller because I'm much better than that. I was just trying out keyboard and mouse for a little bit. I said I'll use it forever, but no, take it back. In one of my streams, I actually said that I will use a default skin for the rest of my life. And that was actually really true. You're not dreaming, I actually did say that. Oh no, I am trash! I am trash! I'm sure if you heard that, he said bad luck. Okay, so I'm going to set up my loadout. This is what my friend chose. I'll use it for next video. Wait a minute, what did it send for me? All healing to open. Oh, okay. Okay, that's what it means. Played this before. Okay, bye guys. No, sorry about this. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video and.